Alright, so today I'm going to be assembling a custom 3D printed crawler bridge suspension wire style bridge. These are a design I'd come up with, just threw something together to see what would work. I had printed these to cover over the wire just so nothing frays. It looks like I'm going to be doing about 14 millimeters between them, but let's put it together, see how it does. It's great size for the Red Cat. Stock axial 24, sits on it very nicely, plenty of room. A modified one still has a decent bit of room. Where it's going to be fun in testing is the UTB 18, because I made these specifically to be a challenge for it. Being that it has four-wheel steering, it should be able to navigate without falling off, hopefully. But alright, I'm gonna start assembly and we'll see how it comes together. Alright, so this is gonna be, even though they're kind of just thrown in there, this is gonna be how it's laid out. The back and forth color pattern with the two black ones on the ends. These were my tests, and once I was happy with the print, I decided just to go with this coloring. And I originally only printed 6 and 6, but as you can see, we're gonna make a long bridge today. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the back side, make sure that the bottom, like the part that was on the build plates on the bottom, because it's very smooth and slick. This, two of these. If I manage to put this whole thing together without destroying my fingers, I will be satisfied. I probably could have gone with a thinner wire, but this will work. I do have thinner wire, but I wanted to make sure that the UTB wasn't going to be too heavy or anything like that. These are made with 20% infill, so they're solid. Now, of course, it can always be more solid, you know, all the way to 100%, of course, but 20%, you're not gonna break it unless you're trying to. In hindsight, I could have just done one piece for each middle, but I wanted to make sure that there was plenty of flex. But like I said, I don't want there to be any burrs or anything like that, so I'd rather have the little covers. Alright, so got the first part together, I'm gonna go ahead and jump to the next section after I do the same on this side, and then I will get it all buttoned up and go from there. Okay, see what happens. Oh shit. This is quite epic. I'm very pleased with how this bridge has turned out.